Hey guys, this is Thomas with Hook It Up Outdoors. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. I need some help. I'm thinking about making a career change, and I need some advice. I got a lot of viewers out there who I think can help me. Please do. Please give me all the advice. I even give you my email. It'll be linked in the description below. Please give me some advice. I'm thinking about making a career change to truck driving. I worked for the telephone company for 18.5 years. So I got customer service skills. Very good working with customers. I worked up at Great Outdoor Provision Company for 3 years, part-time. So I just got a lot of customer service working with public skills. So I have no problem working with public. Not trying to make this a resume just type video, but I just want to show you. I just want to share with you some of my background. But when I worked for a telephone company, I had my own company truck. Drove it around. Brought it home. Drove it around to wherever it needed to go. Was on call. This, that, and the other. So I've got company truck experience with driving routes and all that. So I know how to map read. I've taken pulling our camper, as you guys seen, all the way out to Yellowstone, up to Maine. So I've got experience driving. I have no problem with that. I feel like I'm a pretty decent driver, and my kids, my wife, everybody rides with me says I'm a good driver. So that got me thinking. I was thinking, I'm 46. I'd like to drive local. That's the goal, of course, is to drive in a local atmosphere, a local area. Here where I live here in central North Carolina. But I want to drive local, but I don't think I can do that without experience. All these trucking companies, I've been looking for days, not really even getting a lot done because I've been sitting there watching videos and on YouTube and doing research, and I've got to the point now where I'm like, wow, this is overwhelming. I'm not really looking for OTR, but I know you gotta start somewhere. I don't mind running OTR for a year or 6 months to a year to get some experience. I don't mind doing that. To learn how truck driving is. I don't want to leave my family here at the house by themselves. That's one thing that's got me. I really don't want to do that. If I could help it, I really don't want to do that. If I could go to a trucking school and graduate from a trucking school and then work for a company that will take inexperienced drivers, that would be the best thing, but I know that's probably not going to happen. I've been looking at Knight, Maverick, Schneider. I guess you pronounce it Rohel, Rohel. I think is how you pronounce it. I put it on the screen there. England, CE England. I think I've looked at them. I've looked at CRST. They actually called me. Prime called me. I did a little thing. There's a website called Trucker Truth, and you can fill out a little thing on there for paid CDL or company sponsored CDL schools. I put in my information, and I started getting emails and calls and things like that. That's cool. I don't mind talking to these guys to get some information. So I've ruled out Prime because they're fully OTR. They just, like I said, CRST, they called me within like 15 minutes after I putting in my information. The guy was really nice, very informative. I know with them, you only have to sign a 10-month commitment with them. Now, they are a team-based company, but you can go solo with them after 6 months as long as they have a job for you and that you have, your performance is good. So, that's okay. It's just they have some of the worst ratings, and the videos out there for them is terrible. I mean, it's the ratings for that company, and it's just terrible. So, but the recruiter told me, I said, look, because I told him that I really didn't want to drive with a team. I'd rather drive solo. I know teams generally you make more and you get miles. Honestly, for me, in my situation, this ain't for everybody. Quality of life and being here at the house is more important to me than making a big paycheck. Honest to God, that's just how I feel. I'd rather be here for my wife, for my kids, than having a humongous paycheck and never seeing my wife and family. It's not for me. However, like I said, I know you got to start somewhere, and I would like to be able to drive for a company with a short commitment rather than one that lasts a year or more. And with CRST, you do get to do that. I'm looking at contacting Knight because they've got, you can go solo with them right off the bat, right after you get done with your training. They are a paid company. They do the lower 48 as well. But all you got to sign with them is a 1 year commitment, to go through their schooling. Most of them are that way, where you got to sign at least a 1 year. Some of them a little bit more, but most of them are 1 year. TMC, Transport, now they're fully flatbed, so, and I don't mind flatbed. I think that would be actually pretty cool. I don't mind working. I don't mind getting out of that truck, working and helping unload, load, whatever. That's, to me, that gets me out of the truck, that keeps me moving, that keeps the weight down, because I know, truck driving is not the best on your body. You're sitting all day long, driving all day long. It can be hard on you. That's one thing my wife is cautioning me about. It's not good for you. It's not a healthy career, I guess you might say. I think if I could get on with a flatbed company, hey, I think they make more. They get TARP pay for unloading, loading, or loading. I don't know about unloading, and I honestly think that would be I'm not really looking at hauling a bunch of machinery, metal, coils, I-beams, stuff like that. But like big, trucks and big, wide, heavy stuff, like backhoes and things like that, where you gotta have wide load permits. I don't think I'd want to do that. But just normal flatbed haulers, I think that would be pretty cool. I think I would like that. What I'm wanting from you guys is any information you can provide me with, any help you can provide me with, your thoughts. Please leave me a comment in the comment section below, or send me an email. I'll put the email across the screen here and in the description below. Please email me. And I would like for you guys to go on this journey with me. Whatever I decide, I would like for you guys to join me on this journey. So this, I guess, is video number 1 in this journey. But please, Please give me your insight. I know there's a lot of guys out there that are willing to help a rookie like myself who has zero experience, except for, just driving, pulling a camper or whatever. I have zero experience. I would really like to have your insight. If I could get where I get a job where I could be gone 2 to 3 days max, that would be okay. Just so I have some home time to be able to come home, rejuvenate, take care of things around the house, maybe go on a little short vacation with my wife and kids, see them. I just don't want to miss their, I don't want to miss them growing up. They're both in middle school. I don't want to miss them growing up. I don't want to leave everything for my wife to do. I'm not like that. I've always thought it would be a good career. I'm just not really wanting to go OTR. I'm not that age in my life where I want to do that. Again, I'm just looking for your insight. You guys are the professionals. A lot of you guys are, and I'm looking to you guys for help, experience, and your experience. And I can't wait to hear what y'all guys have to give to me as far as insight, information. And if you want to send me a 2-page long email, I will definitely read it and definitely think about what you tell me in it and which way I need to think about going. I'm gonna just continue to pray about this and think about it and talk to my family about it. See where this goes. I have no idea where this is going. It may end up not going anywhere. But I think this is something that I would like to do, would like to try to do. Guys, thank you again. We will see you all in the next video. Peace out. Hey guys, this is Thomas with Hook It Up Outdoors. I need some. Hey guys, this is Thomas with Southern Outdoors. Hey guys, this is Thomas with Hook 'em Up Outdoors.